This Corecon training video is the last in a series of videos on Corecon scheduling, specifically the Gantt schedule process. Once your baseline schedule is completed, you may need to print or save to PDF the image of that schedule. First thing we want to do is show you how to print. And I have a Gantt schedule all set up. It already has 48 or 49 line items, and just go to the print option. But before I do, there is a help article that you'll probably need to have available when you do this, because depending on how your browser is set up or your printer is set up, there's some things that you'll need to take into consideration. You may also need to use these base settings and then adjust them to fit so that everything is viewed the way you like it. I'll show links to these help articles at the end of the video. So back to the schedule, I have my parent items, my tasks, the harmonogram is all showing. I'm just going to click the print option, and this is where that help article is going to come in handy. Just making sure that everything is set up. You might want to start with what they suggest, and then I'm going to click OK. Now, one of the other pointers on this is to make sure that this print setup is the same way, because this is switching to my printer, my HP printer. Yours might look a little bit different. You might need to adjust that a little bit to make it the way you want it. But there's the schedule, and that would be print to paper. It does work on some larger size papers, sometimes a little bit better, especially if you had a wide format printer. Next, let's do the same thing, but we're going to print to PDF. And again, I have this set up to match what's in Corecon's help article. I am trying to print to a single page, and I'm only printing the Gantt chart, not the resources. So I've got those all set up. There's also some detailed instructions on how to calculate the DPI and the page width and page height so that it fits as well. And then just click OK, and it'll generate a PDF. I found that generating a PDF and then printing from Adobe or whatever program you use for that type of thing, printing from that. There you can see what that looks like. We can blow that up a little. There's also another option to export to Microsoft Excel, which is this option. The difference in this one is that it doesn't show the harmonogram. So this is basically the tasks, the parent items, the resources, and so forth. I'm even going to include the baseline days and end and start. We'll put the days and end here as well. Some other options down here at the bottom, and click OK. And you can see all the information pulled up. The harmonogram, though, does not when you print to Excel. All the information's there. Again, if you'd like to find out more about the information in this training video, I encourage you to go to the knowledge base, to leads and projects, down to scheduling, and the 3 articles that you'll want are the print schedule to PDF, the printer export look-ahead schedule, and exporting scheduled tasks to Microsoft Excel format.